Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to revise payment method in Amazon. Now, in order to revise a payment method on Amazon, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is make sure to stick with us and follow the instruction as guided. What it actually means is that the billing address or credit card information you have entered does not match what your bank has on file. So if in this case, you'll need to update your information in your Amazon account and try again. So for that, you need to launch your Amazon application. After that, you'll be logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, go to your profile icon located right at the bottom in the left hand side bar, and as soon as you click on it, it's gonna direct you to your info page. Right on this page, you'll need to scroll down a bit and go to your account. So over here you'll have to see your payment method, so you need to swipe towards the left hand side, and here you can either add a new payment method or you can simply update the information. So if you want to add a new payment method, click on add a new payment method, which is right over here, and select whether you want to add a credit card, debit card, or you want to place it with your zip and all that. So select the method and then update the information. After you're done updating the information, log out of your device. Once again, log into your account, and that might be able to fix the issue. So in this way, you can revise your payment method in Amazon. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.